Welcome to the daily math activity, Supermarket. In this fun and interactive activity, we'll learn how to shop, organize items, and understand money. Let's get started. Step 1. Setting up the supermarket. First, let's set up our supermarket. On the board, we have spaces to display various products. These product cards represent different items we can purchase. There's a variety of products, including chocolate, books, ice cream, and more. Step 2. Placing the products on the shelves. Now, let's place all the product cards on the shelves of our supermarket board. For example, place the chocolate card on the top shelf, the books on the second shelf, and continue with the other items like chips, ice cream, and so on. Each item has a price tag attached to it, which shows how much the item costs. Step 3. Selecting the shopping list. Once all the items are arranged, it's time to pick a shopping list. Out of the 4 shopping lists, we'll choose one for this demonstration. Here is the shopping list, and it includes items like chocolate, chips, books, ice cream, bag, shoes, and a watch. Let's use this list for our shopping activity. Step 4. Adding items to the cart. First, we pick chocolate from the shelf and place it in the cart. Then, we move on to the next item, chips, followed by books, ice cream, and so on, until all the items on the shopping list are in the cart. Step 5. Calculating the total cost. Chocolate, 10 rupees. Chips, 20 rupees. Books, 30 rupees. Ice cream, 40 rupees. Bag, 90 rupees. Shoes, 200 rupee. Watch, 700. Let's add them all up. 10 plus 20, plus 30, plus 40, plus 90, plus 200, plus 700 equals 1,090 rupees. Step 6. Choosing the appropriate money. Now that we know the total amount, it's time to pay. We'll choose the appropriate amount from the money collection to make the payment. Since the total is 1,090 rupees, we will select 500 rupees and 90 rupees bills to match the amount. We now have the exact total to pay. Step 7. Paying and finalizing the purchase. Now, we place the total amount of 1,090 rupees in the payment section, and the purchase is complete. Step 8. Checking the shopping list. Let's now check the shopping list to make sure we've picked up all the items. Using the marker, we'll tick off each item that is already in the cart. Here we have chocolate, chips, books, ice cream, bag, shoes, and a watch, all ticked off the shopping list. Step 9. Moving items to the bag. Now, we'll move all the items from the cart into the shopping bag. Each item is carefully placed inside, ready for the customer to take home. And that's how we learn shopping, item selection, calculating total costs, money management, and organizing purchases with Kinderfolio's supermarket activity. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be an expert at shopping, calculating costs, and using money.